up.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications.
Give us a huge thumbs up. Today we are opening iRobot.
iRobot.
Second iRobot. I do have it, the pair, mop and sweep, and today I am vacuum, right? So this is a third pair actually.
You're literally gonna
for my upstairs, for this
Ah!
first level. Second level actually, not the first. So I was having trouble taking my vacuum iRobot from this floor to the second floor. So decided to have our own new one.
Can
So
someone
I
turn it
can
the other
not
way?
have that much trouble bringing it up and down.
No, the other way! The other way!
So
Yeah, better.
okay. So we are opening it today, and Bismillah. I am in love with iRobot. The system does almost everything by itself.
Yeah, but like,
I got
don't put your finger.
for the only staircase. I think they need to make something
Work.
something new too, or something special for the staircase, which can just do it by itself. Other than that, oh my gosh,
This is amazing.
it's a really good deal. I know it's expensive, but guys, trust me, it works. For the family members, if you have so many, and I think so it's hard to open it. I am gonna ask my genie to walk in and hop in. So genie, come on.
Ready, set.
Alright, so we're gonna do some.
Another box. Da-da-na-na-na.
Careful. Ta-da!
It's upside down, so give me 1 second.
Well, last time we got
This is the
two
whole
things,
system.
right?
So you want to explain? This is iRobot.
Does it have the mop and
S9?
the bourbon?
S9, yeah.
It's the D-shaped one, which has front straight and
Whoa.
turn on the
I
side.
kind of like this because it can just
I'm
have
gonna get
have a-
unboxing now.
Self-emptying bin, automatic dirt disposal.
the side brush can just
And,
lean into the every
Robert
single
vacuum.
corner.
And I mean the runtime
Oh.
depends. It's 30 minutes to 1 hour.
No, please,
If
no.
it's going on the high speed or low speed. Because
Because
it changes its section, depends on the surface.
Go cut your finger. Go cut your finger. Okay,
We already have one mop and the vacuum combo.
No,
Yeah.
Our second one for us.
Oh, here we go.
Helps me
Oh,
for my first
wow.
floor.
Careful, careful. Let me.
Guys,
Let me
behave.
fold it. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
please.
Guys.
So,
Sit.
so this is your robot.
Oh.
Can I open the robot? Please, please, can I? I want to open the robot.
Guys, careful. Hold on. Behave.
I think these are some accessories.
I said to stop.
Sorry. Oh, it's the same one.
This is the base.
You guys, if you know this, my mom made me bring this upstairs once, and it was so heavy. Literally, this is
That
heavy.
heavy, but I mean,
Yes, it
taking from the ground floor to upper was too much.
I think. Oh, it smells like a new car. I mean, I like that sometimes, but like this one
These
is
are
too
the
strong.
extras like your dust bag,
Says safety information.
extra filter,
Wait, we have to make it into a map again.
and then
We have to let it map around the whole house again. That takes a long time. The safety manual. Well, you know, nobody needs this. I mean, I don't want it. I don't like reading. Reading is boring. Comment down below if you don't like reading. A lot. Because I don't. So put a reading book and then put a barf sign in the comments.
The base station is pretty decent. I mean, it does take about like 1 or 2 hours to fully charge the unit. It was a bit hassle like taking the unit up and down, so we decided to have one unit for upstairs and one for down. So this is the base station. And
Is this literally the same one?
there's the robot. And the robot has its own sensors and everything. It runs for a couple of days on your fan. And this is the dirt bin basically, which stores all the debris. And,
okay.
That's about it. I mean, a lot of people are using it. They're really convenient. I mean, you just schedule them whenever you're not even at home. Make sure that the small toys or parts are kept away from the pack, because otherwise it will suck them and then it got stuck.
Yeah, because that happened to one of our
Other than that,
chargers.
like, I mean, it works nicely.
It's recommended. Highly recommended. Yeah.
Guys, stay away from me. I have
Stay
my
tuned,
punching machine.
I mean, no complaint about iRobots. I mean,
They're they're
Convenient.
Convenient.
Really convenient, I think.
They're top of the line stuff, and they do get periodic software updates and things like that.
They're helpful.
And I don't have to
They
do
work
work. The best part about this is I don't have to do so much hard work.
This is
which
part
makes
2
me
of
tired.
the same one.
So I am loving it.
I hope you enjoy our second iRobot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Make
Take
sure
care.
you like,
Bye.
subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Bye.